Hello, in this video I will show you how to do phone setup on Redmi 14R. You have to start by pressing on this arrow icon, and here you have to choose your language and then click next. Now you have to choose your region and then click next, and here you have to accept terms and conditions, then click next. Now you have to check for SIM cards, or you can just skip this step and click next. Now you can connect to network, or you can click skip. Now you have to scroll down and click accept, and here you can set screen lock, or you can click skip. Then you can click next. And here you can turn on parental controls, or you can click next. Now you can change your font, or you can click next. Here you can set up your lock screen, or you can click skip. And now you can select your default launcher and then click next. Now click on this arrow icon. And setup is now complete, and you can go back to your Android system. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.